This is for the add-on shock sensor on the Chevy 2500 HD. Basically, you give us a call, we ship you the shock sensor out. Takes about 3 days. Bang in the first window and you're going to see that the alarm's going to set off. Okay. Remote start, everything stays working properly. Nothing gets disconnected. Okay. Our kits are fully prepped, ready to go. It comes with the installation video exactly performing in the same truck. So you can just watch the video. It's a full wire hookup. Shouldn't take you no more than 40 minutes if you or an hour maybe. If you're one of those guys that like small projects and want to save some money by adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm, this is the way to go. So next time somebody walks up and they try to blow out your window to take your laptop, your gun, or whatever you keep inside the car, the factory alarm will set off. And a lot of these trucks, by the way, they do have that app on the phone that when the alarm does fire off from factory, you get a notification to your phone as well. That we don't sell. That you pay, you know, when you buy the truck. If they come with the OnStar, it comes with that Chevy app, and you can activate that right on the app. To order your kit, you can go on addshocksensor.com. That's addshocksensor.com, or you can give us a call at 305-387-4365. That's 305-387-4365, or go to our website, addshocksensor.com. Thank you for watching this video.